1. 1966 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D. Price, $39,000. Located, Elk City, Oklahoma. The 1966 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D is a professionally built pro-street and drag racing machine that combines authentic Pontiac heritage with serious competition-ready performance. Carrying a genuine 242 VIN, this real GTO retains its all-steel body construction with the exception of the fiberglass hood while still featuring the original factory GM glass, dashboard, and center console. Built by the renowned Montana Brothers Racecars in New York, this car is powered by an all-aluminum Fulton Donovan 632 cubic inch engine equipped with dual nitrous oxide systems for exceptional horsepower and explosive acceleration. Power is delivered through a low-pass ATI Powerglide transmission to a professionally fabricated rear axle featuring a strange aluminum differential with 4.56 gears and heavy-duty 40-spline axles. The professionally back-halved chassis includes a 4-link rear suspension, tubular front suspension, adjustable shocks at all 4 corners, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a chromoly roll cage. Additional race equipment includes dual 16-volt batteries, MSD grid ignition management, and a Racepack Sportsman data logging system. Although the vehicle sustained minor right rear body damage during a launch, most repairs have already been completed, and the asking price reflects the remaining cosmetic work. Included with the sale are an extra strange aluminum differential with 4.11 gears, 6 nitrous bottles, spare jets, extra spark plugs, and additional racing components, making this authentic 1966 GTO an exceptional opportunity for serious drag racing enthusiasts. 2. 1970 Chevrolet C Pro Street Truck. Price, $35,900. Located, Meade, Kansas. The 1970 Chevrolet C Pro Street Truck is a professionally built performance pickup designed to deliver impressive horsepower, dependable mechanical reliability, and unmistakable pro street styling. Presented in like-new condition, this truck has been carefully assembled using quality components that make it equally appealing for weekend cruising, local car shows, and occasional drag strip appearances. Power comes from a strong 454 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine featuring lightweight aluminum components and a crane roller camshaft, providing excellent throttle response and impressive overall performance. The drivetrain is supported by a Dana rear axle equipped with aggressive 4.56 gears, ensuring exceptional traction and strong acceleration whenever the throttle is applied. According to the seller, the truck is completely ready to drive and enjoy, with numerous additional upgrades that are too extensive to list individually. Every major component has been selected to create a dependable high-performance package capable of delivering both reliability and excitement. Combining classic Chevrolet pickup styling with serious pro-street engineering, this 1970 Chevrolet C truck represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a unique muscle truck that offers excellent performance, aggressive appearance, and the unmistakable character of a professionally built American classic. 3. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price, $42,500. Located, Omaha, Nebraska. The 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is an authentic super sport muscle car that has remained with its third owner for more than 28 years, reflecting long-term care and pride of ownership. Finished in white with a blue interior, this is not a clone but a genuine Chevelle SS that has been professionally restored and upgraded using premium performance components throughout. Power comes from a massive 508 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine equipped with AFR aluminum cylinder heads, an Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley XP950E85 carburetor, electric water pump, dual electric cooling fans, and numerous supporting upgrades that provide exceptional reliability and performance. A turbo 400 automatic transmission transfers power to a 12-bolt rear axle fitted with 3.73 gears, while 4-wheel disc brakes ensure confident stopping power. Weld racing wheels wrapped in massive Goodyear rear tires complete the aggressive pro street appearance. The seller states that the car has accumulated approximately 18,354 miles since completion and has been driven exclusively on the street. Exceptionally clean inside, outside, and underneath, this genuine Chevelle SS represents an outstanding opportunity to own a professionally assembled American muscle car featuring proven performance, authentic heritage, and meticulous overall condition. 4. 1972 Chevrolet El Camino. Price, $17,500. Located, Duncan, Oklahoma. The The 1972 Chevrolet El Camino is a purpose-built drag racing machine that combines the versatility of Chevrolet's legendary car and truck design with serious competition-ready performance. Finished in black, this El Camino has been professionally back-halved and equipped with a 4-link rear suspension that provides excellent traction and chassis stability during hard launches. Under the hood sits a powerful 506 cubic inch engine running on alcohol fuel, delivering exceptional horsepower for consistent drag strip performance. The engine is paired with a PowerGlide automatic transmission featuring a trans brake, creating a dependable drivetrain capable of aggressive launches and smooth operation throughout each pass. Safety and race preparation have also been prioritized with the installation of a full roll cage and brand new Lexan windows throughout the vehicle, reducing weight while improving driver protection. According to the seller, the El Camino consistently runs impressive 6.30 second times in the 8th mile, demonstrating the effectiveness of its professional build and race-focused setup. This Chevrolet El Camino offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a proven drag racing vehicle that combines lightweight construction, powerful performance, and dependable mechanical components in one highly competitive package. 5. 1988 Chevrolet S10 Drag Truck. Price, $15,000. Located, Ashdown, Arkansas. The 1988 Chevrolet S10 drag truck is a professionally built race vehicle engineered for dependable drag strip performance while offering an outstanding collection of premium racing components. Constructed with a TIG welded chromoly roll cage, this S10 was previously campaigned in NHRA Superstreet competition and includes approximately 200 pounds of removable ballast to meet class requirements. The truck is equipped with rack and pinion steering, ladder bar rear suspension, a Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring 4.56 gears and heavy-duty 35 spline axles, along with 4-wheel disc brakes for confident control. A brand new 6.0-liter LS engine rated at approximately 598 horsepower is included but has not yet been installed. Additional drivetrain components include an FTI 8-inch torque converter, straight-cut 1.80 PowerGlide transmission with Pro Brake, MSD 6AL ignition, and a complete collection of MSD electronics. New replacement glass is also included with the sale. The seller is retiring from racing and includes numerous additional race parts with the truck. This Chevrolet S10 represents an exceptional opportunity to own a professionally prepared drag racing platform loaded with premium components and outstanding performance potential. 6. 1969 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price, $15,000. Located, Eagle Rock, Missouri. The 1969 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is a versatile street and strip muscle car that offers classic Mustang styling together with the convenience of a complete racing package. Finished in green with a black interior, this Mustang features a clean title and has accumulated approximately 1,969 miles. Designed to perform both on public roads and at the drag strip, the car provides an excellent balance between classic appearance and race-inspired capability. The seller is including a race trailer with the purchase, making transportation to car shows, racing events, or weekend competitions both convenient and practical. Equipped with a manual transmission, the Mustang delivers an engaging driving experience while allowing the driver to maintain complete control during spirited acceleration. The vehicle has been carefully maintained and is described as having no significant mechanical problems, making it ready to enjoy immediately. Its timeless fastback-era styling, dependable mechanical condition, and flexibility for both street cruising and drag racing make it an attractive option for enthusiasts looking for a classic American muscle car. This 1969 Mustang represents an excellent opportunity to own a complete street and strip package at an affordable price. 7. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS 572 Pro Street. Price, $50,000. Located, Douglas, Wyoming. The 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS 572 Pro Street is an exceptionally well-built custom muscle truck that combines award-quality presentation with incredible horsepower and outstanding street manners. Finished in black with bold white stripes, this El Camino features a mirror-quality show finish and retains a beautifully restored factory SS interior complete with original gauges, bucket seats, factory glass, chrome bumpers, and trim. Under the hood is a professionally assembled 572 cubic inch Dart big block Chevrolet engine producing approximately 850 horsepower using premium Merlin, ARP, Mallory, comp cams, and Howard's components. Power is transferred through a heavy-duty reverse pattern turbo 400 automatic transmission built to handle extreme horsepower and matched with a 4,500 stall converter. A narrow Dana 60 rear axle, ladder bar suspension, coilover shocks, and massive Hoosier rear tires provide exceptional traction and stability. Additional features include stainless steel headers, stainless exhaust system, dual batteries, a 15-gallon fuel cell, and 2 interchangeable fiberglass hoods. Despite its race-ready appearance, the seller emphasizes that the vehicle remains extremely street-friendly, drives comfortably, and maintains excellent cooling performance. This El Camino represents an outstanding opportunity to own a professionally constructed pro street classic with remarkable craftsmanship and exceptional performance. 8. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro drag car. Price, $18,500. Located, Cedar, Minnesota. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a solid foundation for enthusiasts looking to build or complete a competitive race car while preserving the integrity of an original second-generation Camaro. Originally purchased from western Colorado and owned by the same enthusiast for approximately 45 years, this rust-free car has spent most of its life as a bracket drag racer before being carefully stored in a climate-controlled environment. The body retains its original sheet metal along with a clean title, factory VIN, and body tags, making it an attractive platform for future restoration or racing. The vehicle is being sold as a roller without an engine or transmission but includes numerous valuable upgrades such as a roll bar, Ford 9-inch rear housing with traction bars, fiberglass cowl hood, fiberglass front inner fenders, aluminum radiator with electric cooling fan, subframe connectors, fuel cell, battery tray, and centerline Warrior wheels. The car rolls, steers, and stops properly, making transportation and future assembly straightforward. This 1970 Camaro represents an outstanding opportunity for racers or collectors seeking a rust-free, professionally prepared chassis with decades of careful ownership and significant performance upgrades already completed. 9. 1966 Chevrolet Pro Street Corvair. Price, $7,500. Located, Capitan, New Mexico. The 1966 Chevrolet Pro Street Corvair is a unique custom performance build that transforms Chevrolet's rear-engine compact into an eye-catching front-engine Pro Street machine. Finished in bright red with a black interior, this Corvair has been extensively modified to accommodate a Chevrolet 350 cubic-inch V8 engine mounted in the front, paired with a dependable turbo 350 automatic transmission for strong and reliable performance. Power is delivered through a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with aggressive 5.13 gears, creating an ideal setup for spirited street driving or occasional drag strip use. The seller describes the vehicle as approximately 95% complete, indicating that only minor finishing details remain before the project is fully completed. Despite those remaining cosmetic and detail items, the overall condition is reported to be very good, providing an excellent foundation for the next owner to personalize the vehicle. Its unusual engineering, aggressive pro street appearance, and classic Corvair body style make it a standout at local shows and cruise events. This 1966 Chevrolet Corvair represents an affordable opportunity to own a rare and distinctive American pro street project with impressive performance potential and unmistakable character. 10. 1983 Chevrolet Camaro drag car. Price, $15,000. Located, Abilene, Texas. The 1983 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a professionally built race machine designed to deliver outstanding eighth-mile performance while providing a dependable platform for serious drag racing enthusiasts. Built around a powerful 408 cubic-inch LS-based engine, this Camaro combines modern Chevrolet performance with a proven collection of race-ready components. The engine is paired with a Freakshow Powerglide automatic transmission, creating a durable drivetrain capable of handling significant horsepower while delivering smooth and consistent launches. The chassis features a ladder bar rear suspension, strange adjustable front suspension, and QA1 adjustable rear suspension, allowing the car to be fine-tuned for varying track conditions and driving preferences. According to the seller, the vehicle consistently runs impressive 5.90-second eighth-mile passes using a 150 horsepower nitrous system on no-prep racing surfaces. The engine is also capable of supporting a 350 horsepower nitrous setup, offering even greater performance potential. The sale includes 2 nitrous outlet bottles along with a selection of tuning jets for future adjustments. Carrying a title and built with quality racing hardware throughout, this Camaro represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a competitive drag car with proven performance and outstanding upgrade capability. 11. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Price, $45,678. Located, San Angelo, Texas. The 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner is a professionally prepared pro-street muscle car that combines legendary Mopar styling with race-ready engineering and exceptional performance potential. Finished in green, this unique Roadrunner has been fitted with an iconic Superbird-style rear wing, creating an unmistakable appearance that stands out at any car show or racing event. Built as a pro-street machine, the vehicle has been back-halved and professionally prepared for high-performance applications while remaining ready for competitive drag racing. The seller originally intended to install a supercharged engine combination into the vehicle and has been searching for a similarly modified 1970 Dodge Charger project, but is also willing to sell the Roadrunner complete. Designed with racing in mind, the chassis offers the strength and suspension modifications necessary to support significant horsepower while maintaining the timeless character of one of Plymouth's most celebrated muscle cars. The seller describes the vehicle as race-ready and encourages interested buyers to contact directly for additional information. This 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner represents a rare opportunity to own a professionally modified Mopar that combines distinctive styling, proven pro-street construction, and exceptional potential for both competition and weekend cruising. 12. 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $10,000. Located, Artesia, New Mexico. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS is a purpose-built drag racing machine offering an affordable entry into classic American pro-street performance. According to the seller, this is a genuine super sport model verified by its original VIN, although the vehicle is being sold without a title. The chassis has been professionally back-halved and fitted with a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle riding on racing slicks for maximum traction during hard launches. Inside, the cabin has been completely stripped and tubbed to accommodate the extensive race modifications while reducing unnecessary weight. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet engine bored 60,000 SOVR and equipped with numerous internal performance upgrades designed to deliver dependable horsepower. The drivetrain is completed by a Powerglide automatic transmission fitted with a trans-brake for consistent starting line performance. Fiberglass components including the hood and deck lid help reduce overall weight while enhancing the aggressive race appearance. The seller notes that the transmission case has developed a crack and requires replacement, although the internal components remain in good condition. This Nova SS represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a genuine super sport drag car with quality race modifications at an attractive price.